Welcome to the ISO 27001 Lead Implementer course. This program is designed for professionals who are ready to take responsibility for building, deploying, and managing an information security management system that aligns with the standard. The aim is not just to cover theory, but to give you tools, strategies, and confidence to apply the requirements in your organization. Whether you are preparing for certification, driving governance, or strengthening compliance processes, you will leave with a practical framework that you can use from day one. In this module, you will deepen your understanding of ISO 27001 and the Annex A control set, learn how to shape an implementation plan that aligns with business goals and regulatory duties, and understand what good leadership looks like in practice. Being a lead implementer goes beyond knowing clauses. It means engaging stakeholders, coordinating cross-functional teams, and turning security objectives into everyday business practice. By the end of the course, you will be ready to lead implementation work with clarity and confidence. This course is for people in information security, compliance, or information technology who will implement ISO 27001. And for those moving from foundation knowledge into a role with implementation responsibility. If you plan to build a career in information governance or want to show leadership in security, the content is designed to equip you with the skills you need to deliver outcomes that stand up to assessor scrutiny. You will learn through short presentations and recorded sessions that you can revisit, supported by quizzes and reflective exercises that make the learning active. The focus is on practical application, so each activity builds the habits you will use when planning, implementing, and maintaining an information security management system. Presentations and recordings provide structure and clarity, helping you see how the requirements connect. Reviewing the slides and the recordings as you go will reinforce key points and prepare you to make the most of the interactive elements. Treat these as your reference library during the course and when you return to work. Short knowledge checks and practical tasks are embedded throughout the module. These are not box-ticking tasks. They prompt you to apply concepts to realistic situations, evaluate risks, and propose improvements, mirroring the decisions you will make during an implementation project and giving you evidence you can point to later. You will work with realistic scenarios so you can see how requirements and controls apply in context. This helps you translate the standard into business language, link decisions to risk treatment, and anticipate the kinds of questions an assessor may ask about scope, evidence, and effectiveness. You now have a clear view of how the course works and what is expected. As you move forward, keep the goal in mind. You are building the mindset and skills of a lead implementer, someone who can turn ISO 27001 from text into a working management system that improves security and stands up to assessment. Now let us move to the next section and start building your implementation capability.